Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Miyuki, and today I'll be showing you guys how to get Roblox faces in Blender since they are not classic anymore. I'm going to be making a quick render first, so enjoy the speed video.
I was a girl in the village doing alright. Then I became a princess overnight. Now I gotta figure out how to do it right. So much to learn and see. Up in the castle with my new family. In a school that's just for royalty. A whole enchanted world is waiting for me. I'm so excited to be. I'm finding out what being royal's all about. Making my way, it's an adventure every day. It's gonna be my time to show them all that I'm Sophia the First. Bailiwick, stay off.
Good morning, Princess Sophia.
Good morning, Bailiwick. What's that?
A little treat to start the day.
Oh, thank you.
Nothing like a bit of berry to make your day a bit more merry.
You're in a good mood today.
I should be.
Okay, so now that I have my avatar, I also have a video on how to make a render. You guys can check that out. If you guys need help with anything, just join my server. And now I want to add a face. So since it's been like a long time since Roblox removed classic faces, so it can be really hard to get the face that you want. First, you're gonna want to find the face that you want in Roblox Marketplace. And I found this. I want to use this for that character. So when you find your face, just scroll down and you should see this. It's all the way in the bottom. It's in the included item section. Just click on it. Okay, so now that you have found your face, you're gonna go to the right side. This needs a specific app. I'm gonna show you guys that after I'm done over here. So you're just gonna press on the right side. You should see this. Click on it. Go to surface appearance. Then go to color map. Click on the link. It looks like a link icon, and then you should go to asset, and then you'll see this. So just hold on to this, and I'm gonna show you how to get the app. So for this, to get these, you would need to go to this app called BT Roblox, making Roblox better. It's gonna give you like a bunch of options, but you don't have to mess with any of the settings, and you should just get this after you download it. And like I said, you just have to click on this surface appearance, then click on color map, and then go to the asset, and then you're gonna be left with this. Okay, now you're gonna download it. So you should when you download it, you're gonna go back to Blender. When you go back to Blender, click on the face of the rig you're using. If you're using any other kind of rig, there's also different stuff for that. Let me know if you guys want it. But for this specific rig, you would need to click on the head and go down to face texture. Click on the X and open the one you just saved. And there you go. You should be left with the face, and now you just have to render it. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys want any other videos. And I just released a new UC to my group. Make sure to check it out. Bye!